the competition itself. Next, in case of any missing item, suppose you have lost something or somebody has lost something, in that case you can use a missing dash, means a missing purse, a missing bicycle, missing mobile, something like that. Okay. Or second, you can write down lost and found. This is also a good heading. Lost, lost, lost. It must have exclamatory mark. Okay. So in this way, in case of missing, you can use all these three. Anyone you can choose. In case of any charity work, if any charity work is going to take place and you want to collect some money or you want to have some help for the needy people or the victims, you sometimes you write the notice. In that condition, what heading you can use? Needs helping hands, or time to serve humanity, or relief fund for the victims of death, means victims of earthquake, victims of flood, etc. In this way you can use. In case of any audition, if any audition is going to take place to show your talent, then you can use talent hunt, time to show the talent, or audition for dance, audition for singing, something like that. And next is in case of any entertainment, recreation, tour or picnics. Okay, in that condition you can write down time to have fun, or fun time, or tour to dash. Dash means tour to Shimla, tour to Delhi, tour to Nainital. In this way you should try to write down the correct heading. Now I am going to give you one body of the notice. This is written so the weak students or the student, those who are not having the complete knowledge of the tenses, so I advise them to follow this, so they should not commit the tense mistake, because sometimes if you are committing one tense mistake, so only because of one mistake your whole notice will be wrong. Okay, so you should write down. You can use these lines, or this can be used in 80% notices. Okay, sometimes some notices are different. I will give you some examples, but this can be used for 80% times. Okay, all the dash are informed. Dash means all the students or the candidates or the teachers, something like that. It will come. Okay, all the dash are informed that there will be a dash. Dash means program name you have to write. There will be a dance competition, there will be a meeting, something like that. On, then you have to write down the date. Here date, at, then time you have to mention. Okay, at 9 a.m., at 10 a.m. in this way. In here you have to write down the place, in the assembly hall, in the playground, in the school of the campus, in this way. Then full stop will come. The new sentence is willing dash, means willing student, willing teachers, willing members should contact to the. Then concerned person, means you have to write down here. Suppose you are going a sports competition is going to take place. So what you will write down? Willing student should contact to the sports teacher of the school. Or if any dance competition is going to take place, so here you will write down willing student should contact to the dance teacher or the music teacher of the school. By means you will write down a date. So deadline you have to write down. Suppose the program is going to take place at 10th May. Okay, it means by 5th May the students or the candidates should contact, so the preparation could be done. In this way you can use this. So this is just to avoid the tense mistakes. Okay, after this I will give you some examples how to write down the notice. Okay, first of all, the question is, you are Amit or Amita, head boy or head girl, DPS Agra. The principal has advised you to draft a notice informing the senior students about the dance competition. Okay, that is going to take place in your school soon. Give necessary details also. So what you will add? You will follow the rules. Okay, I have told you first of all name of the institution, notice, then dance competition. Okay, after that date is coming here. Now the body is starting. All the senior students are informed that there will be a dance competition. So what we have done? We have done what is going to take place. So dance competition is going to take place on. So date has come and at time has come. Okay, and where? In the hall of the school. Okay, willing student should contact to the dance teacher of the school by 28th April, means because the dance competition will take place on 30 April. So you have to contact to the dance teacher by 28 April. Okay, in this way. Then S means this is the sign of Amita, and who is Amita? Designation of Amita is head girl of the school. So after completing this, after 2 or 3 lines, we will close the box in this way. So there should be no erasing and no use of whitener. So this is the first example. And the second example is, today I will give you only 2 examples. You are Amit Sharma, principal of St. Peter's School, New Delhi. You should draft a notice informing the students to donate open-heartedly for the victims of flood taken place in Orissa. Give necessary details. First of all, name of the institution, notice, and then heading. What heading we have given? Needs helping hand, because this is the charity work. Okay, because you are going to donate something. Then we will add the date. Again, all the students are informed that the school has decided to help the victims of flood in Orissa. So students can donate open-heartedly in the form of cash, old clothes, blankets, medicines, and dry food item by 30 April 2020 in PRO office. So this is the concerned person to whom they should give. Okay, and then S means the sign. This is Amit Sharma and principal of the school. This is the designation of this person. So in this way we will complete, and after leaving 2 lines we will close this box.